whether life is a dream or a nightmare.
Digital communication breakdown. Honorable Lillian Aber's WhatsApp group suspended in Hanhaira, where digital presence is synonymous with political influence. The sudden suspension of Honorable Aber, Lillian's primary WhatsApp communication group, has sent shockwaves through her constituency and the broader Patriotic League of Uganda PLU community. The incident occurred on May 19, 2026, coincidentally appearing at a pivotal moment in the nation's legislative discourse regarding the Deputy Speaker endorsement. Here is the current situation. Constituents and political followers who regularly rely on Honorable Aber Lillian's WhatsApp group for updates were greeted with his jeering system message this morning. Instead of the usual stream of legislative updates and community engagement, the interface was replaced by a restrictive pop-up window. The group, which serves as a vital link between the member of parliament and the grassroots, has been rendered completely non-functional. So the warning message, the screen currently displays a definitive notification from the platform. This group is no longer available. Beneath this header, WhatsApp explained that no messaging, hiding of members, downloading of media, or forwarding of existing content is permitted. For the thousands of members enrolled in the group, the only remaining option are to delete group for me or C group, the latter of which provides only a static, non-interactive view of historical messages.
Do what I want to, something I can't undo.
Now here is the technical grounds for suspension. According to official documentation from WhatsApp's parent company, Meta, such suspensions are rarely arbitrary. They are typically triggered by automated machine learning systems designed to identify violations of the platform's terms of service. Specifically, groups are flagged under three primary conditions. One, automated or bulk messaging if the group is perceived to be distributing spam or using automated tools to send repetitive messages. Two, user reports if a significant number of users or a coordinated effort of users report the group for problematic content or harassment. Three, metadata violations if the group's name, description or profile photo is found to violate safety or legal standards. It is done. Now, the timing of this digital blackout is particularly sensitive. It coincides with Honorable Aber's public announcement regarding the support for Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa, a move that shifted the narrative away from rumors of our own candidacy for Deputy Speaker. The suspension creates a significant information vacuum. In the absence of a moderated official forum, misinformation can spread more rapidly across other unverified social media channels. For a high-profile leader like Aber, losing a direct line to our supporters during a period of political transition is a major strategic hurdle. It prevents real-time clarification of party guidance and leaves the flow open to third-party interpretation.
When I'm feeling this way, so I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay.
Path to recovery. For the group to be restored, the group admin must initiate a formal appeal. This involves requesting a manual review from WhatsApp safety team to prove that the group did not intentionally violate community standards. Until then, digital silence remains a stark reminder of the vulnerability of political communication in the age of algorithmic moderation and why you should be disciplined online. Technology meets politics on Acholi Side TV.